and welcome to BSF Recovery Team. Well, we survived this year's Memorial Off-Road event. The wrecker did a lot of work, and we had a lot of fun. Here's a preview of what happened at the event.
Go get money! Go have fun! So, tell me how this one happened.
We were pulling our friends back here, going back to camp, and all of a sudden I heard, "Stop, stop!" And I thought we were doing real good, but we had to stop, and I took a look, and the tire was folded up inside underneath it.
I don't know if it busted the spindle and blew my nuts apart. He's down at the bottom. Toward the dog. Go ahead.
Thanks for watching BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, stay safe, and maybe we'll see you out there in the woods.